Cordless chainsaws are changing the way we handle cutting jobs. No fuel, no cables, and far less maintenance. Traditional gas chainsaws are noisy, heavy, and difficult for beginners, while corded models limit movement. Modern cordless chainsaws solve these problems with strong brushless motors, fast cutting speed, and lightweight designs. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best cordless chainsaws of 2026, perfect for pruning, woodworking, garden maintenance, and light logging. We analyze specs, real user feedback, and overall value to create this list. Product links are in the description for updated prices.
Number 5. SEESII 8-inch Mini Cordless Chainsaw. The SEESII 8-inch cordless chainsaw is a compact and lightweight tool designed mainly for pruning and small wood-cutting tasks. It features a sharp chain with efficient cutting performance while staying easy to control, even for beginners. Compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, it offers flexibility for users who already own Makita tools. Its small size makes it ideal for garden work, branch trimming, and DIY projects. Low vibration, simple operation, and good portability make it a solid entry-level mini chainsaw.
Number 4. PATUOPRO 16-inch Brushless Cordless Chainsaw. The PATUOPRO 16-inch cordless chainsaw is built for heavier cutting jobs like orchard work and woodworking. Its brushless motor delivers strong torque, higher efficiency, and longer tool life compared to brushed models. Designed to work with Makita batteries, it offers reliable power without the noise and fumes of gas chainsaws. The longer bar length allows cutting thicker logs with ease, while the balanced handheld design improves control. A great option for users who need serious cutting power in a cordless form.
Number 3. Electric Goddess 8-inch Brushless Cordless Chainsaw. The Electric Goddess 8-inch cordless chainsaw focuses on efficiency and precision. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers fast cutting speed with lower energy loss and reduced heat. It is compatible with 18V DeWalt batteries, making it convenient for users in the DeWalt ecosystem. This model is ideal for pruning trees, cutting firewood, and light woodworking tasks. Its compact size, smooth operation, and strong cutting performance make it a reliable choice for both home users and professionals.
Number 2 is the Tungfull 12-inch 16-inch cordless chainsaw. The Tungfull cordless chainsaw stands out by offering both 12-inch and 16-inch cutting options, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Powered by a Makita-style 21V battery system, it delivers strong cutting force for logging, firewood, and garden maintenance. The ergonomic design improves handling during longer jobs, while the cordless build ensures freedom of movement. Whether you're cutting branches or thicker wood, this chainsaw provides flexibility, power, and dependable performance for demanding users.
Number 1. YOFIDRA 8-inch Brushless Cordless Chainsaw. The YOFIDRA 8-inch brushless cordless chainsaw takes the top spot thanks to its powerful performance and compact design. Featuring a high-output brushless motor rated up to 4,500 watts, it delivers fast, clean cuts with excellent efficiency. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it's perfect for pruning, woodworking, and garden use. The lightweight body improves control, while the strong motor handles tough wood easily. For users wanting maximum power in a small cordless chainsaw, this is the best overall choice.
Cordless chainsaws offer convenience, portability, and impressive cutting power without fuel or cables. From compact pruning tools to powerful brushless models, these 5 options cover every need. Whether for gardening, woodworking, or light logging, there's a perfect cordless chainsaw here. Which one would you choose? Comment below and subscribe for more tool reviews.